It's Jordan Tower with JT News. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Let's get right into the news. Well, Lil Baby was caught red-handed, okay? Internet detectives went in, and they discovered that he is still dating Saweetie. Saweetie, he claimed he was single. And when he was rumored the other day that he was shopping with Saweetie, he said, no, I'm not dating anyone. I'm single. That doesn't mean you're not dating her. This picture surfaced earlier. Saweetie took a picture. He's like, yo, just get my legs, baby. Well, your legs got caught, my G. They caught you red-handed. And Quavo saw this, okay? So it looks like earlier Quavo was having flowers delivered, trying to get her back. Kanye and him had been together yesterday, and they had a plot on getting their girls back. Well, he got played, okay? This happens, okay? We all get played sometimes. I've been played many times. You have too. You could play it cool, but we get played sometimes. He said, ain't tripping. We can swap it out, QC the label. And he started following Lil Baby's ex, Jada Chiefs. Just as a joke, but it's like, come on, man. Yo, Lil Baby really got a problem with the Migos, bro. Like, he got into it. He definitely got into it with Offset. That's official now. When they had that Triller fight, or that wasn't Triller. That was another company. Because Triller is an honest company. It was another company that had a TikTok fight. TikTok versus YouTubers fight. And Migos did straighten in. Lil Baby was like doing an interview there. And then he kind of made fun of them, like the straightening song and everything. Like, Lil Baby really doesn't like the Migos. Which is funny because they set up the QC label and they kind of like ushered the baby in, Lil Baby in. I'm sorry, I keep saying the baby, Lil Baby. You know, we're talking about Lil Baby, okay? They ushered him in, man. You know, it's like, I think Lil Baby's, you know, even though I like Lil Baby, it's getting a little messy. You know what I mean? And that happens. They need a little bit of straighten over there at QC. You know, Migos were having problems with QC. They're good now, but it's like, there's getting, you know, things are getting mixy. Cardi B buys a $5 million house in New Jersey. It looks very nice. She says, these days I don't live in just one place. I'm everywhere due to my work. One thing is for sure, I need a home in New York City. I'm so proud of myself. I work so hard for my children to be comfortable everywhere, regardless where I work. Me and my husband have always dreamed of having a place in New York. But you bought a place in like Hawaii before that. But anyway, she says, and we have to decide to add to our portfolio. You got to add to your portfolio of homes, along with Atlanta and LA. Anyways, this is rich people problems. She's looks nice though, I can't lie. Nice house. She works hard for it. We'll see what happens with the drama with Saweetie, Lil Baby, and Quavo. It's pretty funny if you ask me. Anyways, this is Jordan Tower with JT News. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace.